How to fix CitiBank app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name CitiBank and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings, then scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're gonna find if an app server installed on a device. Find the app CitiBank. After you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Click on Reinstall app. After you reinstall the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you'll get the pop-up. Click on Delete for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Then you can close this. Launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app CitiBank. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix CitiBank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.